Vieira with the stockmarketlive.tv. Today we bring you other case study once again in Russia. How to invest in Russia. Long-term strong sell. One of the best investments ever on the short side. Short Yandex in regards to our several articles since the very top $45 in 2015. We published other article, the end of Yandex, and I warned you, do not buy shares of Yandex. Shares are going to bounce, but you are not going to invest. If you wish, you can trade the long side, but shares are going to crash once again because I wrote the article, the end on the Yandex. Shares are going to crash again. And if I said that shares are going to crash again, they crash. It is as simple as that. And if you have questions, you have to refer to my work during the past 25 years. So where do you find this information? You find this information by visiting our website. You refer to this wonderful downtrend in place, strong sell since $45, bubble stock. Free article on the website, Yandex is dead, short at will, and this you have several articles since 2014 saying and urging, recommending to one, sell short Yandex. Yandex is going down, is going to crash. It's not going down, it's going to crash. It's a different matter. So you have a wonderful article here on the website, how to invest in Russia, the end of Yandex. It's not that Yandex is going down to zero. I never said that Yandex is going down to zero. I said Yandex is going to crash. Do not buy, do not remain invested in Yandex because I'm going to crash. All right? So I explained the game. Here you have, it is related to my own call announcing the crash in oil, which I did last year in 2014. You have here plenty of peaks on oil, for example, Transocean, Ensco, those are some of the top short peaks. You just have to refer to, probably more than 15 articles and videos on the website in the past couple of years. In Transocean, in fact, longer. But you have more. You have, for example, Diamond Offshore, ticker DO, one of the best shorts in the market. You have this ticker WTI, other wonderful short. Plenty here, And Yandex, all right, so Yandex, everyone has been making a fortune, short oil, short Yandex. So this video, it was recorded when Yandex was trading around $39. It was part of our bundle, the Carnage bundle, stocks to crash immediately. And you have here a video 10 minutes long explaining the scam, in fact, played by some individuals, very suspicious. And you have here an example of his website in the US. And the facts are the facts, right? So let's take a look at the chart in Yandex, all right? So you have shares, they bounced within a downtrend in place. And when the day that they shares, they traded, above $20, I told you, customers remain short, Yandex is going to crash. So today, you have a new all-time low in Yandex. As I said, that was going to happen. So be very careful to remain invested in Yandex. If you are believing that the shares, they were going into, again, a bull market, you only invest in a company, and you have to refer to my case studies, more than 3,000 case studies. You only invest in a company after shares collapse, and in particular, after you profited from the crash. So since you, or most, they didn't profit from the crash, they didn't believe that probably shares they were going to crash, they didn't follow the guidance, in particular non-subscribers, those they've been buying and invested in oil and in the Yandex, you lost all your money, you are not going to have ever money to invest again in the Yandex, because that is one of the mathematical principles in the markets. You lost your money. More than 90% of people, they lose all their money in the markets. Or you are not aware of that. The books, they don't tell you that. Maybe it is better, probably first you get informed before you start investing in the markets, or not. So congratulations to all those hedge funds, investment banks and non-professionals, short Yandex, short oil, short gold stocks, and today you are a millionaire. You just have to sit down, to remain short, and to enjoy. No need to day trade, nothing, absolutely nothing. Sit down and enjoy. Here you have the facts. New all-time low.